Comfortable, useful, and most importantly cost-effective, walking is one of the most recommended physical activities for improving your health and well-being. Walking is quite beneficial. How far should you walk? What degree of intensity? Furthermore, how long? You may get all of the answers to these questions by watching this video through to the very end. Start gently if you aren't used to walking. Beginning with 5 minutes is wise. Then, progressively lengthen your walks until you can go for 30 minutes each day. You can already greatly benefit your health by walking for 30 minutes each day, lowering your risk of stroke and other cardiovascular disorders. Walking also improves circulation and lowers blood pressure for up to 24 hours afterwards. Your heart valves will work better, which will help your body get more oxygen and circulate your hemoglobin. Here are a few more advantages of daily walking. 1. Enhances mental well-being. Walking can help with mental issues such as poor memory and attention deficit disorder. Additionally, it keeps the body in shape and slows the aging process. 2. Fights off depression. This knowledge is not brand new. Endorphins are hormones that are released during physical activity and are in charge of giving us feelings of pleasure and relaxation. 3. Makes weight loss easier. We burn fat when we speed up our body's metabolism. We are therefore more likely to lose weight as we walk faster. 4. Combats diabetes. Did you know that exercising causes the body to produce more insulin? Since insulin is what causes your body's cells to absorb glucose, it is a crucial hormone. Walking helps make more insulin because walking stimulates the liver and pancreas, through increased blood flow. 5. Decreases stress. Walking makes our bodies and minds more relaxed, which makes us less likely to get depressed or sick. 6. Improves sexual activity. The health and well-being of the body can only come from proper cell oxygenation and circulation. You might be shocked to learn that walking for 30 minutes a day boosts sexual vigor and desire. 7. Protects against osteoporosis. Our bones can get stronger and denser as a result of walking, which in turn helps to avoid osteoporosis and arthritis. 8. Walking helps with weight loss. You must walk steadily to burn calories. The majority of us don't pay much attention to this. It's crucial to be aware of how many steps we take. People who wish to lose weight quickly should typically walk around 10,000 steps in an hour. Your body will be able to burn fat if you walk that way. You should walk at this pace for at least 3 days a week if you want to lose weight. Don't worry, the steps don't need to be counted manually. A pedometer is a really useful piece of gear. It is a portable device that measures hip motion to calculate a person's step count. It not only records your steps but also your average speed and the number of calories you've burned. It is offered for sale online and in most sporting goods stores. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.